Good day. Welcome to HRIS Self-Service. But before you play, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to notify and the bell icon if there is new update. Doc track history for regular, casual, and job order employees. Navigate to My Documents Tracking document. Tracking history. Note: you can also navigate to Main Page, Expandable Menu buttons. To navigate, click the My Documents Tracking drop-down list will be visible. Click Documents Tracking History to continue. Note: once account is a login and click the Documents Tracking History. Expected that automatic by default there's a value selected in payroll year. Since the selected year will be based on server's date, but if you reselect a drop-down list field and select the later year, expected that various information will display on table grid below. Only if your payroll pass on HRIS document tracking system. How to view documents tracking history. Step 1. While on the main page of Documents Tracking History, select specific payroll year to view information. Expand and Document History button will be visible. A combo list box is a user input device in which the user can select an option from a drop-down list or type in a value into a text box so that the appropriate choice can be selected. This term may also be used in reference to a drop-down list which only allows choices to be selected. User cannot type a value. Step 2. Select specific payroll to view information. Step 3. Click Expand button for you to view information. Note: if you have clicked the Expand button, expected and information will be visible under selected payroll and Collapse button will be shown. Note: in Document Tracking Table Grid, the display of payroll data will be based on the account used to log in the page. Payroll details will be displayed like control number, document description, and payroll template data only. Step 4. Click Collapse button if you want to close the selected payroll information. Step 5. Click Document History button if you want to view specific payroll document tracking whereabouts. Step 6. Click Back button to go back to previous page. Note: if ever you want to search an instance-specific payroll, you may use the search bar and input payroll month or the net amount to easily locate the record. Only information that is displayed on the table grid below will be used to search document. On the other hand, you can also use the previous Next button and page number to locate specific payroll. Moreover, you may use the Show drop-down list to set only how many count of data to display by page. Search bar. Previous button. Next button. Page number. Show drop-down. The end. Thank you for watching.